Well, my micro drill and grinder, the P800B, has arrived. It's an 80-piece small grinder that actually its tools actually match with the Dremel, which is good. This came from GearBest this morning. I purchased it actually through points and my wallet. I had a drone that came slightly damaged, nothing to do with GearBest, but they offered me a refund on my wallet, and with the refund and with the points that I had spare, I bought this. And I've been wanting to buy one of these for a little while now, and we'll open it up and see what we have inside. Well, it's a nice little steel case or an aluminium case, and we open it like that. We'll put that box aside. Just got a bit of wrapping round the handle, and actually upside down. But there you have a Perspex cover. You can see exactly what's in there. I suppose that tab comes off, and it's just fixed by one little catch here, if I can do it properly, and do it like that. There's one little catch that you open, and then the case opens like that. Inside there is a little bit of foam packing, and then you have the mains lead. Now I haven't brought it up to now, it's in the house, but with it there comes a little electrical device to help you change, because this is an American plug and I'm in the UK, and so that fits. I got a black one that goes with that, and but they come with all the components that we buy from China. That is the mains lead, and so that then will fit in to the mains, which is there, and then the lead will come and should plug into this when we pull it out. This is the main grinder. It's a micro mini grinder and drill, and so that actually, the mains lead plugs in there, and there is the speed. It's a variable speed switch, and quite fast, but that is that. So that is your main little grinder drill. Then in it comes quite 80 pieces, different little files and buffers, a little wire brush kind of thing that used for getting rid of rust or whatever, and a little sander which is very good really, a little buffer, and I noticed there's one, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but there's one piece missing there. I don't suppose it matters too much, but they actually pull one out. What happens, like that little buffer then fits in here, I assume. Well, it won't fit in that one, and that's my worry, that the one that's missing will affect some of the others. But that goes in there, and then you put it into your in there, and that goes into there like that. So I should imagine that. Anyway, they go in there like that, and you have a little buffer or a little drill, and then you have another little box of tricks here. Okay, what's in here then? Not sure, but there's little extra pads for sanding and little extensions on that can go in there to extend that. So that's that, and then there is a little, God, let's seal these pretty good, but there's a little bar. It's got sellotape round it. Stop it falling open, I expect. Well, he doesn't want to come out. And so in there you have more drills. In there you have some drills to go on to this, I assume. I go in there. Okay, we'll find a way how to do that. I suspect it goes in there and then that goes in there, does it? No? Oh, these are different tops. Okay, we'll sort that out in a bit anyway. Not sure how it all comes together, but I'm sure we'll find a way. So there. Okay, so we've got a little pack of drills. Oh, we've got a little pack of drills, and then we've got all these pieces here. A little circular saw, and another circular saw, another grinder there, and another grindstone, 2 grindstones there. So that is quite a nifty little piece of equipment. Goes, when you pack it away, that goes in there, and the lead then would pack away in there like so, and the lead would have to stay on the top like that, and then it just shuts all down. So there we have it, the micro drill grinder P800B. I'm looking forward to using that on some of my model stuff and other things that I have. So thanks to GearBest for getting it to me all in one piece, albeit there is one little piece missing there, which is a shame. I'm not sure what that will be for, but we'll check that out. Thank you, GearBest.